Welcome to English Talk. I'm Elsa.
And I'm Anna. Today we're discussing basic English, conversation skills.
Great. Let's start with greetings. How do you greet someone in English?
You can say hello, hi if it's more formal. You might say good morning, good afternoon.
Exactly. What about asking how someone is?
You can say, how are you, or how's it going?
Those are common phrases. What should we do if someone asks us how we are? You can respond with I'm good, thank you, I'm doing well, and you? Perfect. Let's practice a short conversation. Sure. I'll start. Hi, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Great job. Listeners, try practicing this conversation with a friend.
And remember, practice makes perfect.
That's it for today's episode. Join us next time for more English conversation tips.
Bye.
For now.